I would like to congratulate the boys over there. I would like to thank them for the effort and for the response that they have given me. I think it was really amazing. Young side, we came to the tournament. No one expected us to win. And the way we have won the final match, I think we deserve a big celebration.
Pakistan did extremely well to restrict you to 160, and they played good cricket as well.
I think they bowled very well. You know, the wicket was not really doing too much, but I think from the 12th over onwards, the way Gul and Arafat bowled, I think that was really excellent. But we knew one thing: we scored 150 or 160. Still, they have to score it. And we always know the run rate, it's always over 6. So if you get quick wickets, and later on if I can pressurize the batsman, it gets really hard.
Now, what was happening in those final 2 overs? There must have been a lot of thoughts going through your mind. Joginder Sharma, Harbhajan Singh. Joginder Sharma, Harbhajan Singh. What made you give Joginder that last over?
I think Bhaji was not 100% sure. You know, he was not getting the Yorkers right. So I felt, you know, instead of giving a bowler who was not 100% sure, I should give a bowler who wants to do well at the international level. Even if we would have lost the match, it doesn't matter to me. But I think the way Jogi bowled, it was really good.
Now, what does this mean to you? This, what do you think this will do for Indian cricket?
Well, one thing for sure, the 2020 version will catch up in India. The excitement and the type of game it is, I think it will be a big hit in India. Apart from that, I think, you know, after we lost, after the way we departed from the World Cup initially, you know, in 2007, I think it will do the repair work for some time, and we have to keep doing it. You know, Australian series followed by Pakistan, then we are off to Australia. So we have to do consistently well.